Hey guys, welcome to SaaS Track. In this video, we will check the overview of a learning management platform called Teachable. Have you heard about Teachable before? No? It's okay. Teachable is a platform where you can create and sell your online course. You don't have to think about anything. Teachable will take care of everything, such as hosting, managing your course material, and make it look good at the same time. Teachable is helpful for both instructors as well as students. Here you can see more than 18 million students are learning from Teachable. There are more than 68,000 instructors online with 1,86,000 active users. With such large number of courses and instructors, Teachable provides a world-class learning experience to the interested people. It's not required to have any coding knowledge to create and sell your course online. Just customize it using few simple clicks. Let's check how. First, you need to sign up or log into Teachable from here. Enter your name, email, and password to sign up. After that, you need to name your school, which you can change later. Here you have to customize your experience by answering few simple questions. Once you have answered all these questions, it will redirect to Teachable dashboard. These are the sections from where you can change the complete overview of your course. I will discuss one by one. Let's check the users section. Here you can search for users, students, owners, authors, and others from their name or email ID. Once you select students, now it's time to customize your site. You can customize your website from here. Here you will get an individual section to customize each identity of your website, such as themes, domains, navigation, bios, pages, comments, and much more. It is your working area. From here you can edit all these things. Now I'll move on to the sales section. As I have signed up for a new account right now, so you will not see any successful transactions here. You will get a complete view of sales, upsells, statement, and breakdown of your account by clicking here. You can also email your students individually. For that, you have to upgrade your plan. In the settings section, you can check and change the complete overview of your account. In the general setting, you can change your school name, homepage heading, homepage description, and all. Add the address of your school from here. You can add blocks to your school by enabling blocks from this section. Now you are ready to sell your online course, but here the question arises, how will you get paid? Come on, let's check the payment section. Teachable allows you to receive payments from PayPal. You have to add your PayPal registered email here. These are some basic settings such as taxes, notification, plan, billing, and much more. You can change as per your requirement. Now we will check the most important part of Teachable, courses. Here I will show you how you can create your first online course. Are you ready to create your first course? Just click on New Course. Here you have to add course title, subtitle, select author, and choose a course template. After adding all these details, click on Create Course. After that, you will get a special added section to your site from where you can add details of your course such as information, pages, curriculum, pricing, and much more. You can also add multiple courses to your site. Not only this, students can search for your course from the information that you have provided. That's about creating your course on Teachable. I hope you have found it helpful and interested to check the services of Teachable now. Okay, now we will check the pricing plans of Teachable. There are 3 pricing plans offered by this site: Basic, Professional, and Business. You have to check the features of each plan individually and choose the one which suits you better. Initially, I would recommend you to take the basic plan. So guys, here we have checked everything behind Teachable. I have tried to give basic idea behind this software. If you have any issue, then you can comment below, else hit the like button and subscribe button to check more about other trending software. Bye guys, see you soon with another interesting video. Till then, stay tuned.